Welcome back, friends. This is Manju from LearnSAPintegration.com. Last couple of sessions, we have seen SAP Cloud Platform Integration. Just to recap, we have seen what is cloud computing, what is Cloud Platform Integration overview, and what is the offer from SAP. And also, we have seen different cloud service models like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a services. And also we have seen different cloud deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and mix of all. We have seen the pros and cons of all these models. Today we are going to see what are the types of cloud integration scenario that that i- that can be possible. We'll see one by one. Let's start. So this is the typical on-premise to on-premise or on-premise to partner scenario. Here we can see SAP ECC and we have some other local applications. Here SAP ECC to local application we can have the scenario like A to A scenario, that is application to application. This is completely on-premise. Earlier we were using SAP PI, now we are using SAP PO. This is on-premise to on-premise within application. Suppose if you want to connect SAP with third-party vendor uh, to like customer or a supplier or a bank, then we have to cross the external firewalls. So we have something like certificates or encryption or some digital signature. That is the one we are managing to connect to the external vendor. In this scenario, if you see this is the partner integration. This is the partner integrating SAP using SAP PO or PI using like A to S or EDI adapter. That is called B to B scenario. This is completely on-premise to on-premise and on-premise to partner scenario. Let's move on to the next scenario. This is on-premise to cloud. Suppose we have seen this, ECC is using SAP PO to connect to other application, or ECC is using SAP PO to connect to partner application. This completely we have seen as on-premise. Now there is a cloud applications. We want to connect to cloud application to SAP. In this case, we are following this path. SAP is connecting to CPI via SAP connector. SAP connector is a software. It is allowing SAP to connect to our SAP cloud platform integration via this SAP connector. Then this CPI will connect to all the cloud application. This is on-premise to cloud. Let's move on to next options. See, suppose there are cloud applications like Ariba and Concur, SuccessFactors, Salesforce. All these applications are deployed in cloud. Suppose you want to communicate between these two applications, cloud to cloud. In that case, the CPI is the best used software. It is our SAP's cloud application for integration. So this is used to integrate between two cloud applications. One is Ariba, another one is Concur. It's a best example. This portion is cloud to cloud integration. Along with cloud, we can also have the other on-premise to on-premise or on-premise to cloud as well. This is the typical example for cloud to cloud integration. Let's move on to the Next scenario, this is the hybrid one. I think this is the one going forward. It's a typical scenario. Almost all organizations are going to use this. See, if you see, as we have seen in the previous slides, ECC is connecting to our local applications via PO, and ECC is connecting to partner application via PO with strong firewall. Same way, ECC is connecting to CPI via cloud connector, and CPI can be used to connect between two cloud application like Ariba and Concur. See, SAP's recommendation is one shot you cannot move away from PO is very difficult. So, what SAP's recommendation is, what all the on-premises application you can handle with SAP PO, and wherever there is a cloud opportunity, better to use CPI as a parallel product. So, also along with this PO, CPI has got all pre-configured content. It is typically meant for cloud application. It's very easy, and also SAP is having its own security and guidelines to maintain the CPI. The CPI is the best suited for cloud to cloud. So this is the hybrid approach almost all organizations are going to use. So let's conclude this session. We have seen different scenario. One is on-premise to on-premise, and this A to A scenario, on-premise to partner, that is B2B scenario. Then we are having on-premise to cloud using SAP connector, and next we have seen on-premise to on-premise using only CPI. Then we have seen the hybrid, that is it is mix and match of all the scenario together. So that means some of the interfaces are using PO, some of the interfaces are using SAP connector, some of the interfaces are completely using CPI. Okay, thank you guys for watching this session. So we will see little more details in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.